Respect Turkey's security concerns, Erdogan tells world. Trump says Daesh chief al-Baghdadi killed in US raid. US dispatches reinforcement to oil field in Syria. Iraq, Baghdad toll claims to 63 amid resumed protest. Iran says carefully monitoring Iraq protest. Saudi takes command on coalition forces in Yemen's Aden. Over 50 Myanmar police and family member arrested. Afghan and US forces kills over 80 Taliban insurgents. Pakistan denies Indian premier permit to use airspace. Pakistan, key leader of religious party arrested. Pakistan marks Black Day in solidarity with Kashmiris. 6 Indian forces injured in Kashmir grenade attack.